Alright guys, in this video I am really excited to show you a new platform that allows you to build software with AI but in a completely different way than all these other platforms out there. This platform is unique in its approach and I am excited to dive into it today. What makes it stand out is that it has a reasoning agent that guides you through the entire process of building your projects. Another thing that's really interesting is that it understands what you're trying to build. It creates a step by step detailed plan on how to bring your idea to life. So, if you're building more complex apps, this might be the platform you've been looking for to leverage an AI agent for assistance. I'm inside DataButton right now, and if you've seen my previous videos about it, you'll notice the user interface looks a bit different. That's because they have made some updates, and I think these new features could be super valuable for a lot of you. So let's jump in and see how it works. First, let's turn your ideas into exceptional software. The first step is to describe our app, what it does and who it's for. So here's what I'm trying to build. I am creating a YouTube thumbnail and title testing app. This app will let you upload a thumbnail and title to see what it will look like when uploaded to YouTube. It's for content creators who want to make sure their titles and thumbnails are appealing to viewers before actually publishing their videos. We are basically writing out who it's for and what we want to include. You can also upload documents about your app like requirements, references, designs, or quotes. For now, I am going to skip that and share some inspiration instead. I am going to take a screenshot of an app I use that I am trying to replicate using DataButton. I'll drag and drop it here. This is where things get interesting. DataButton asks all these questions before we even start building. It's like having a project manager guiding you through the process. Now we are on to integrations. What does your app need? Authentication, databases, payments. DataButton lets you plan all this out before you even start building. For this app, I'm going to use Firebase Authentication and Firestore for the database. I'll also use Stripe for payments, but you could use alternatives like Lemon Squeezy if you prefer. Once we've set this up, DataButton starts writing the MVP scope. It's crafting a plan for building the first version of the app based on the information we've provided. This is where it really shines. It creates a guided plan for us to follow, making the process of building the app as simple as possible. Here's where things get really cool. DataButton has created a to-do list for us. The first task is to create a landing page that showcases the app's value proposition. Then we'll set up Firebase authentication, build the thumbnail upload system, and more. Next, we'll move on to building the thumbnail upload and preview interface. DataButton breaks this down into smaller tasks like creating a drag and drop interface and integrating Firebase storage. What's really impressive is how it researches YouTube's thumbnail specifications to ensure our app meets their requirements. It's not just building blindly, it's thinking through every detail. Now let's set up Firebase authentication so users can sign in and use our platform. DataButton walks us through the process, but I want to be transparent. It's not as simple as clicking a button. You'll need to configure Firebase manually, but DataButton guides you through each step. Once that's done, DataButton integrates it into the app. Now users can sign in securely. This is where DataButton's AI agent really shines. It handles errors and bugs autonomously, almost like a real developer. Alright, let's take a look at what we built so far. We have a landing page, a thumbnail upload system, and a preview page that shows how the thumbnail and title will look on YouTube. I'm not going to build out the entire app in this video, but I hope this gives you a good sense of how DataButton works. It's not the fastest platform out there, but it's incredibly thorough. It thinks through every step, researches requirements, and creates a detailed plan to help you build better apps. If you are looking to build something complex and have the budget for it, DataButton is a fantastic option. It's not the cheapest, but it's worth it if you want a solid foundation for your app. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. There's a link to DataButton in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.